Hi, my name's Tom. My company's Blue Spruce Joinery Inc. I make custom cabinetry and furniture. So here we are. Right here I have just a plain, simple maple drawer front for a project I'm working on. I love this sander, I have to tell you. It is like totally awesome. Not only is it quiet, but as you can see, connect it to this hose and it goes right to this great looking. It's totally awesome vacuum. It's quiet, it's easy to empty, the bags trap all the dust. It's virtually dust free while you're working with it. Excuse me. The thing I like most about this sander is that it's so fast. It does the job so quickly and effortlessly that it makes sanding almost fun. If you can imagine that. Sanding being fun. I have to tell you, I have hours and hours and hours on the sander. I use it almost every day. The discs from Festool, you know, they're not as easy to find as maybe some of the other discs, but the ones you get right from Festool, they work great. I have no complaints. The cost is, you know, right in there with all the rest. I have plenty of other Festool tools also here in my shop. As you can see, that's my Festool corner right there.